How to add coupon pop-up to Hostinger website. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add coupon pop-up to Hostinger website. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Hostinger, you can also use my affiliate link below the description where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Hostinger, it is a global web hosting provider that offers affordable and user-friendly solutions for individuals, small businesses, and growing online brands, in which it provides a wide range of services, including shared hosting, cloud hosting, VPS hosting, WordPress hosting, and domain registration, all designed to deliver fast performance and reliable uptime. And also, Hostinger is known for its custom-built control panel. And now to create an account, just click the link in the description or click my account button on the top right. After that, you will be directed on this dashboard or homepage of Hostinger. And now to proceed, you can start clicking the website section and you should be able to see here your website that has been created. So from here, you can click the edit website or manage button to proceed. By doing so, you'll be directed in here, or you can simply click edit website to be directed on your website. Now as you can see, there is my website. And to start adding a pop-up discount, the first thing that we need to do is to add a discount. And to do that, you can navigate also on the left side panel some of the option. That includes the more option in here, this SEO, and many more. But by clicking here, this element section, it will show you a lot of elements that you can add also. But now to start adding the discount in here, all you need to do is simply click the store option in here. By doing so, you should see here this discount. By clicking on it on this pop-up window, from here, just proceed by simply navigating here or click Add Discount button right here. Upon doing so, the next thing that you need to do is to choose the discount type, either percentage or fixed amount, and enter here the discount code. And for the discount code, I'm just going to enter here, for example, New Year's 2026. You can even add a Christmas code if you want to, Black Friday, any kind of discount that you prefer. But at this point, I'm going to enter as an example, New Year 2026. And after that, you could also proceed by navigating to add a discount name and a discount in here. For example, the percentage in here is 20%. You could also add specific categories to be applied or to all products. For the discount name, I'm going to enter here New Year's promo. And also once done below, you could also proceed to the discount condition to limit the total number of uses for this discount, and even to set the minimum purchase amount for the entire cart in order to avail or to use the specific discount in here. And aside from that, below here under active dates, it will show you the starting dates and also the starting time where you can set. But since our discount is for New Year's, I'm just going to enter here as exactly December 31, and also the end date is, for example, January 2 in here. Once done, you can now proceed by clicking the save button to proceed. Or you could also start adding the starting time in here and the end time. But in here, make sure to fill out all of the required information before clicking the save button below. Now as you can see, we've now currently added a discount in here. Now the next thing that we need to do is to go to this website, helpsite.com, in which this will help us to create a pop-up window. All you need to do is to simply go to the widget section, and under e-commerce, it will show you this pop-up. By clicking on it, just click create widget for free button to proceed. And below, it will show you how you can start editing or creating a widget. It will show us a variety of template to start with. All you need to do is simply choose here the kind of template for this pop-up window that you want to be added in your store or website of Hostinger. And since the discount that we're going to add is for New Year's, I'm going to choose this one and click this button below. You can now start navigating to customize exactly the spacing, the heading, the images, in here and many more. For the heading, instead of this Christmas sale, I'm going to enter here New Year sale, or even promo or discount, depending on your preferences. So let's say discount, New Year discount. You can also add to change the color, the font style, and many more. We can also proceed by adding here this percentage of discount. Instead of 50%, I'm going to enter here 20% for all. And now for the code, I'm just going to simply customize this one into the exact code that we enter in our Hostinger. And now once done, the next thing that you need to do is simply click Add to Website for Free button below. And after that, you'll be directed on the page where you need to simply choose a specific plan, but I'm going to choose the free one. But before that, make sure to also click the publish button on the top right corner to save all of the changes that we have done. Then choose here the specific plan that you prefer. I'm going to click the free one. Now from here, you simply copy the code or embed code in here. Then go to our website in our hostinger and simply choose the locations you want to add the pop-up window. So for this discount, I'm going to add here a section, which is this one. By clicking add section, you can choose here the right section that you want. And I'm going to delete all of this. Now from here, I'm just going to simply enter the embed code. So just go to the element section and click embed code right here. And simply paste here the code. All you need to do is simply paste it directly and click embed code. Then you should be able to see that we have now successfully applied the pop-up discount in here. All you need to do is simply resize it depending on your preferences to make it fit right here. Now, as you can see, this is basically the preview of what it looks like. You can click the go live button or the publish button once done. But overall, that is just how you can add coupon pop-up to Hostinger website. Thank you.